Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use EasyRug V1.0 updated. First, unbox and lay out parts, then charge the base station fully and download the companion app. Open the app and follow on screen prompts to pair the device via Bluetooth. Make sure you allow location and notification permissions for optimal performance. Place the rug on a flat surface and test the movement controls gently before starting a full cycle. In this video, I will explain how to use EasyRug V1.0 updated. Open the app and select your preferred mode from Auto, Spot, or Manual depending on your needs. Auto adapts suction and path for general cleaning, Spot concentrates power on stubborn stains, and Manual gives full directional control for delicate areas. Adjust speed sliders and observe the rug behavior, then press Start to begin a cleaning session. In this video, I will review how to use EasyRug V1.0 updated. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort while you work. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, then click back, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with maintenance for EasyRug V1.0 updated. Begin by turning the unit off and removing the dust bin to empty contents into a trash receptacle. Check and clean the roller brush, removing hair and debris with scissors if needed. Rinse washable filters under running water and let them air dry completely before reinstalling. Inspect sensors and wheels monthly and wipe them with a soft cloth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.